Hi everybody, I'm back for a quick video. I had some happy mail arrive today. Something's new and something is, it was used but not used. So the first thing I got came from Cra-CraCreations on Etsy, and I will link her down below. But I wanted to get a new set of, okay, I can't untie that. My fingers don't work like that. Okay. A new set of monkey fists. And these should be standard Midori size. Let me see. I have a pair here of ones I got a long time ago from Mitts, My Life Mitts here on Etsy. I think these are the right. Did I order the right length? I think so. Let's see. We'll put one here, and we'll go back to my, isn't that cute? We'll go back to my birthday week. There we go. See, look at that. Aren't those cute? So that was the first thing that I got, these, that I ordered, these little monkey fists. I really like them. I like the tricolor, the orange, the yellow, the reddish color. There's also maybe a little bit of pink in there. Very nice. So I got those. Now this other thing, I've been wanting to get one for quite a while, but the leather, I got everything out of there, has been out of stock. So here we are. This is a Sojourner, let me get all the plastic out of the way, Folio in the beautiful, I think she calls it turmeric, the yellow leather, in the B6 size, and it came with a B6 insert. So it has the slip pocket here, it has the 2 card slots here, and look how beautiful that is. I only have one little piece of the turmeric, and it's on my field note size, but I wanted to get this one, and when I saw it on the Sojourner Facebook page, I knew I had to jump at it, otherwise I would never see one again. And look how beautiful it is. So now I need to know, I make my own inserts like this with calendars and stuff, and I'm wondering, you know, people that use B6, what, you know, do you use the Nanami B6? You know, what are some of the standard B6 items that you use? You know, do you have a certain Etsy store that makes them? And it doesn't matter if it's Tomoe River paper or, you know, any other paper. You know, I'm just wondering if, you know, you have a favorite insert or notebook that, say, has more pages than this. This is probably 64 pages, something like that. It looks like a Taroko shop orchid paper, and those are usually like around 60 to 64 pages. It's a beautiful paper, so I'm definitely going to use that. And maybe put like one of my calendars. Let's see. I do have a B6 Sojourner, and it's a traveler's notebook because it has the elastics, where I have like my monthly calendar, I've got a grid, a dot grid, one of those Odd Girl designs, and then another large grid, which I've been keeping track of our bills in. So, I'm just wondering, do you have a favorite notebook that you like to use? If you do, please leave a comment down below. So I will link Rowena at Sojourner, since this is one of her beautiful notebooks, so you can see more of the amazing stuff. So you can see more of the... Okay, I will link Rowena at Sojourner down below, and I will also link Cra-CraCreations for, where'd they go? Actually, those look really nice with this turmeric, the color of them. Let me get Mitz's out of the way. And I think I said Mitz like right here on Etsy. She is on Etsy, but she's also here on YouTube. I'll link her YouTube because I'm not sure if she's doing like Monkey Fist bookmarks anymore. But I got a couple from her, for me and for my husband. But look, those look beautiful with the turmeric. So I will link Rowena on her webpage. I will link Cra-CraCreations on Etsy. And I will also link Mitz's YouTube channel because she has so many wonderful videos where she talks about using these various sizes and so much more. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.